I have no idea how long this stream is going to take, but I want to. I know what I'm gonna accomplish. At least, well, at least I'm gonna try. But I know what I want to do. So I have. Let me wait. I'm looking at my other desktop right now. I have 4 images to put. Wait. Yes. So I'm gonna drag 4 images here right now, and you'll see what those images are in a second. We are recreating the hero section, well, at least the images, to look a lot cooler. New directory, what are we gonna name this? Let's name it hero, yeah. And now we have these 4 new images to drag there. All right, this is the first one, me on the beach. Second one is just a picture of me from the holiday, another picture of me, and the London Wall. Right, so we have all of these images, right? And I'm gonna put all of these images to the hero section. I'm not going to replace this, so we're gonna have 5 images, and each time you refresh the website, the images are going to rotate. So you're gonna see a random image, random, like you're gonna see one of those 5 images each time you load the website instead of the hero area. I still have to Photoshop these images, but then like I can do that offline because I'm still not sure whether I like these pictures or not. They are nice pictures, I guess, but like I still haven't decided if I want to use them or not. But yeah, and I've never done something like this before. Like I mean, randomly loading images on each load of the website. I'm not sure if it's possible or not, but we're gonna try, and we're gonna see if we can do it. So I know one thing. I know that we have to load the contents of this directory randomly. Like, sorry, I know that we have to load the contents of this directory, like the relative hashed image links, and also we have to find a way to retrieve the one that randomizer the one that the randomizer picks. So first thing that we have to do that is to add our hero image directory to here, so that we could. Oh, also all of these are PNG files, but this one is JPEG. I can just turn this into a PNG file as well. We can take care of that one later. Let's just focus on the PNG files for now. So we're gonna create a new one of these. We're gonna call it hero images, and then we're gonna paste the same thing that we get from here. Let's put a comma in there. All right. So this is gonna be data, images, and under images we have hero. Right. So this is gonna get all of our hero images, right? Cool. And then let's remember how we use this. Okay, let's find the other usages of this. So you give it an image link. What's an image link? Oh no, not that one. So let's see what the project is. Image link is IP manager, and then it grabs this. Okay, I have to rename this. Okay, let's rename this as I don't know, like beach coding. Yeah, that's okay. Let's rename this as, wait, what was it? Cliff walking. It's not really a cliff, but whatever. I have no idea how you spell canoeing. Kayaking? Is that called kayaking in English? I have no idea. Kayaking. Kayaking. Yes. Yeah, let's just call it kayaking. I'm not sure if it's the right term to call it, but yeah, that's fine. These 3 we're gonna focus on today, right? And we have to find a way to pass them in. So but I think, oh, what is this? Well, no, sorry, go away. No, go away. I have no idea what that was. That shouldn't be running in the background, whatever that is. Anyway. So wait, how are we going to approach this problem? First thing, we have to, this is this is how we load this image, right? We're going to import this dynamically. So to do that, we have to create some sort of variable to hold the dynamically loaded image. So let's start by creating a function, constant something equals that, and it's going to complain that it's not used, but this function is, okay, let's think more. So we have to retrieve the file names from there. Yeah, and file names could be retrieved by just folders. Folders dot hero images. So this will return us with an array of relative hash URLs for these images, right? Okay, and we want to import one of those images, and then we want to replace wall. Where's the wall? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's not going to be that difficult, is it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is an array, I'm assuming. Probably, yeah. And then can we get a length for this? Okay, fine. Let's just print this out. Console.log semicolon in there. Let's just start by printing this out, right? And instead of this, well, we could do, yeah, let's just keep that. Well, actually, let's just comment this out first, and then we're gonna do style, and then this. Yeah, let's just call this function, and let's get the console output first. Is the server running? Probably not. Oh, it's running. Okay, okay. So right click, no, okay, right click, inspect, refresh the page. The hero image should be gone. It's not gone. Interesting. Should have been gone. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna restart the server. I do not want to see a hero image in here when the server restarts. Okay, that's what we wanted. And it prints out an empty array right now. Why is the length 0? That means we can't retrieve the contents of what we wanted. Oh, it's because it's looking for markdown files. We have to be looking for PNG files, right? Yes, and also we could be looking for JPEGs, but yeah, we'll take care of that one later. So if you refresh, we have 3 images in here. Yep, that's okay. Randomly, no, generate random number JavaScript. Oh, I don't want the medium article, just give me the code. Math.random, but I want to generate within range. Yeah. Why does this have to be so difficult? Like, just give me something that works. I know this is a very old answer. No. There has to be something easier, right? Get random int. Okay, that's what I wanted. Right, thank you. So I'm just gonna have this, and oh wait, I can actually inline it. Get random int math.floor math.random. So calling this with 3 returns 0, 1, 2. Okay, all right, that's exactly what I want. Thank you. And now I'm gonna, instead of max, I'm gonna do folders.heroimages.length. Yes, and that's gonna give me, gives you 0 to array length. I forgot to close WhatsApp, right? Okay, so this gives us a number, and then we should return the URL of that image, folders.hero images, and then we have to inline this, cut that, paste it in, put it there. Let's get rid of this, and yeah, that's okay. And here we're gonna uncomment this, remove that, and that's not gonna be the wall, that's gonna be ASDF. And now you should get an image. And now if you refresh the website, it's gonna be a different image. Yay! 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Now, we are going to, well, we can turn this into a PNG image, this one, right? I'm not sure if it's going to be better or like more compressed if we turn it into a PNG image, but we can try, we can learn. So let's open this in Photoshop. Okay. Second monitors are so useful. Like, I have this folder in here in my second monitor. I'm just going to drag the item in. Anyway, you'll see. All right, Photoshop, where are you? Okay, can I just drag this in? Yes. And we're going to save as PNG. Yeah. Oh, okay, it's still saving, still saving, still saving. Why does that take so long? Okay, maybe it's more difficult than I thought. How about our CPU usage and stuff? Interesting. Shouldn't be that much. Anyway, that's done. Alright, I think it's saved. It's here. Okay, PNG is 233 megs compared to JPEG, which is 599 kilobytes. So clearly we don't want this. All right, let's modify this regular expression here to accept PNGs and JPEGs at the same time. There is a website called regexer, right? Okay, let's paste this in. Okay, it matches PNGs, and we want it to match JPG images, PNG or JPEG. And now it should match all of them. Yeah, okay, that's what we want. Let's copy it back and paste it in. Oh no, that's not how you paste stuff in, right? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Do I need $sign? Oh yeah, I see what I did wrong. So you have to paste it in like this. Right? Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, now if we refresh the website, we should be able to see. Yeah, okay, that's the wall in London. All right. And now we're going to modify the viewport height. Also, let's chuck this in as well. Whoa. Ankara. Home. Okay. What's next? Yeah, we have to get rid of this in here. And since it's just one line, we could do cut, and we can inline this here. Okay. Perfect. Cool. Yeah, that's a bit too long for a single line, so I might just as well just separate it from there. Does it do the same thing? Yes, it does. All right, I'm gonna change these images with I'm gonna Photoshop these to look darker, so it so the text here is more legible. But I can do that offline. The one thing that I wanted to take care of was viewport height. So the viewport height, if we go to home.module.sas, in here you have hero background somewhere, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna put height 100 viewport height. So no matter where we open the website, it's gonna span the whole height of the how do you call it? Of the page, yeah. But then this creates a problem in the mobile version. It does the same thing as well. I'm not sure if that's what we want, right? Let me try this on a mobile phone. Let's try Pixel to XL, which is a super tall device. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want this behavior in here. So rather than doing that for the mobile version, let's use our mixins that we have created before. I don't remember where I've used them, but I've definitely used them before, so I'm just going to look at my SAS files and remember how I used them inside my components. Not here, not there, no. Well, why is that so okay, whatever. Media, oh yeah, here. So this is how you use them, and you have to import them. Cool, we can do that. Let's close all of these. Okay. If screen size is large, do that. Can I auto import this? Well, turns out no. But what was the file that I've opened? This one? Yeah. So I have to copy this, close that, and paste it on the top of this file. So it includes the thing. Right, where's this file? So it's up one only. Okay. So the mobile version is going to look normal, and each time you refresh it, it's going to come back with a different image now. Yeah. But the desktop version is going to span the whole height. Now what we want to do is we want to center I make things, the text in there. So let's open the desktop site again. The proper desk, yep. So I want to center the whole div in here. So this header div, this area has to be centered now. But it shouldn't be that difficult to do. We're just going to do margin Y auto, so it centers in the div. Home.jsx inside the header. The hero is in a container. Is this the div that I think so. Right, navigation bar header. Let's take a look. This is the header and this is the container. Yes, that's what I want. Right, so class name equals, we're gonna do margin Y auto, and that's probably gonna center our stuff, right? No. Okay, fine. Okay, let's get some help from Flex. Yes, that's what we want. Yeah, and let's check this in. Right, perfect. All right, cool. Did that make a difference? Not really. No. How? I have no idea how I align these things. Right. So this is centered. I could see that, but oh yeah, that's centered. But the thing that I'm trying to center is not this. The thing that I'm trying to center is that one. Or maybe not. I don't know. Let's try adding the class names here. That could be something that I could investigate later, actually, because yeah, I don't want to take too much time in the stream. It's already been 20 minutes, and like honestly, I don't want to spend too much time digging into this issue because like I'm just going to be investigating. I have no idea how to fix it. But I'll come back with a different solution. We have completed the scope for this stream, which was just making this hero image change each time I refresh the website, and it looks pretty damn cool right now, not gonna lie. Especially this image, I love this, coding on the beach. What else could you ask for, right? Okay, hope you like the stream. This is how you load images, how you load images from the data directory in React, like the hashed images, I mean. And I'll keep investigating the issue of centering the elements inside the container. Also, there's this thing to take care about, the mobile version of the site. This area looks tiny, right? It could be just a bit taller. So we could take care of that. I'm gonna think of a solution to optimize the looks of it. The navbar color, everything else has to match with the picture. Maybe I could do this. Maybe I could, depending on which image we pick, we can pick different colors for the navbar and the section below. That would look pretty good. And one other thing that I want to do is have some sort of arrow that points down when the website is open. So some sort of animation that just prompts the user to kind of scroll down, so they know that there's some more stuff to this website than we initially show them. Because if you just show them this, what are they going to do? Like, do they know that they have to scroll? If they don't have a mouse attached to their Mac, yeah, that's probably the only case in MacBooks. If they don't have a mouse attached, the scroll bar in here wouldn't be visible. They would have, they wouldn't scroll. But then there's another website that was called Do People Scroll? Was this it? I don't remember. Come on. Yeah. So there's this website called Do People Scroll? If you scroll, it says yes. And apparently this, yeah, anyway, a friend of mine showed this to me. His name was Sam. He joined the stream a couple times before. Anyway, time to end the stream. I'll come back with the solution on how to center this text in here. All right, have a great day. Bye.